How to fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to fix the issue where Instagram doesn't let you select more than 10 photos. This is a common problem that can happen due to app bugs, outdated versions, or regional restrictions. Let's get started with some simple solutions. First, open the App Store on your device. Search for Instagram and check for any app updates if it is available. If there's an update, tap Update to install it. This often resolves minor bugs and glitches. If updating doesn't work, or if your app is already updated enough, you can try deleting and reinstalling the app. You can just long press the Instagram app and tap Delete app, and then reinstall it from the App Store. Next, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap General, and then here tap on iPhone storage, and you may find Instagram right here. And then all you have to do is to offload the app. This clears the app data while keeping your account intact. Once done, tap Reinstall app. If none of these steps work, it's possible the feature isn't available in your country or on your device yet. You may need to wait for Instagram to roll it out globally or update it for compatibility. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the issue with selecting more than 10 photos on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.